What are we working with here? This is our non-alcoholic drink. Sometimes you don't need the booze. If you're having an extended weekend, a marathon of events, sometimes you just need something that's going to replenish your depleted state and just bring you back to regular. So here we have fresh Ruby Red Grapefruit juice, fresh lemon, honey that we infused with green tea, some cucumbers, and we threw some raspberries at it, top it with soda. It has all the essential goodness, the rich nutrients to help bring you back to normal. It'll replenish your vitamin C, it'll give you that fiber, and it'll help you feel a little bit less disgusting. I like to kick this out for myself before I start a Saturday night, give me that good fruit energy, or my guys in the kitchen who are burning up, or my guys out front who are melting in the brick oven. I like to dish this out to them as well, and it proves to be powerful. So stick to the pureness, get as good of products as you possibly can, get the best honey that you can find, and you're going to end up making yourself a little hair of the dog that's going to bring you back to life and allow for you to trail on, and allow for you to blaze on and kick ass and have a great weekend. This is Junior's Juice. This is a refreshing, fruity, invigorating concoction that'll have you feeling balanced and back to normal in no time. So here we go, let's make it. We're going to do a bunch of cucumbers, get that goodness, get it muddled. Cucumbers adds that earth, adds that refreshing element. We have some raspberries, just because I had them. Throw a handful of those in there. Ounce of lemon. It's a 4 count. We're going to do 3/4 of it. And that's an ounce fresh Ruby Red Grapefruit juice. So we don't want this to be too sweet. We still want it to be tart and have some pucker. Give it a nice shake. We're not going to strain it. We want that fiber. Pour over ice. We're going to top it soda. Garnish with a cucumber. And there you have it. A delicious, non-alcoholic, nutrient-filled beverage that'll have you feeling back to normal 100%, better than yourself in no time. I'm Scott James. This is Simple Beverage. Enjoy.